like videos as well, right? Whenever you have doubts, you're doing
Yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah. Most of the time, I go through the videos again.
You downloaded all the videos.
Yeah.
Okay, just keep a copy of those videos in your local, so it will be
Oh,
better.
okay.
Okay, and so you can see here, like we have gone through the screenshots thing. Now we have cross-browser testing. Cross-browser testing means like same code we can run on different browsers. So in my computer, first for those things you need to have some of the browsers. So I will show you. See, I have Mozilla Firefox. So you can see this is maybe not be updated one, but I will need to check. I'm going to the help menu and going to about Firefox, and it is like asking restart to update. So just going for update means today I'm just mainly focusing on those browsers. So Chrome already we have seen so many times. So I will pick one by one browser and I will just execute the same code on different browsers. That is called cross browser testing. You can see here now it is 108.0.2. Earlier it was 107. So now we have the latest Firefox browser. And what we need to download the Gecko driver for Firefox. Like for Chrome, we were downloading the Chrome driver. So for Firefox, we need Gecko driver. So how to download the Gecko driver? Just type in the Google search Gecko Gecko driver download. That's Chrome was like Chrome driver, but this is called Gecko driver. And for this, like link you will get in that particular what you call it Selenium main page also. Like I think you will get that thing. Let me go to that page. Selenium download. So this is the official website of Selenium. If you go to this page, so there is a browser sections given there. You can see come down. Okay, so browser section there. And like for this, like we have Firefox as well. So you can go to this one. I think only documentation given or download also. I'm looking for that one. So you see which kind of like browser supported Firefox, Internet Explorer, Safari, Opera, Chrome, and Edge. So these menus are there, but I don't have everything. I don't have Safari, but other browsers I think I have. So I'm just first time showing you that Firefox. So download link is not there, but I am just going to check whether it is there or not. Gecko driver supported client this is where is that link? It's better to search in the Google. It's quite faster. I will go there and then it's better. I will go there, right? So I'm clicking on Gecko driver download link and it is taking me to GitHub. This is the official page where you can get the latest one. So I'm just right clicking and opening it. So you can see here 0.32. This is the latest Firefox driver download. It is there. And you go to the description, then it will show that it is supporting version 106 greater than 106. So this you can just go and download and you can see the link is below over there. Means this is the main link, but download link is over here. And it is saying that if you have a Mac system or if you have a like Linux, so you can use like command line, those things you can set up. But like for Windows system, you just need to download. So it is like 64 Gecko driver 64 Win 32 Win 64. Where is 64? Linux, Mac, Win 64. This is the main one. So I will go there. And when it was updated, October 14, it was updated. So basic informations you can have. So I'm just clicking here and it is downloading. So I will go to the download one, right click and open the folder what. So this is the driver here, right click and extract it first. Once I will extract it, it will give me the main one. You can see this is the zip one and this is the extracted one. Okay. So in the structured one, I can see that Gecko driver. So I will just copy this and I will come here and I will paste in the drivers. You can see here already I have a driver folder. I will just right click and paste. So once I pasted, I have the Gecko driver.exe present here. So one thing is done, means I can show you some demo on the what you call Chrome as well. So let me close the things which is not needed. I can take any of the file. It's okay with me. So I'm just going for the basic examples like opening a web page and Selenium things. Because I just need a driver. Rest of the codes will be almost same. As no worries for that. Somehow minor things are there, which sometimes is not supported in a particular browser, but that is something you can handle it easily. So consider that this is Selenium 2 page. This is my link, Google search. So this is designed for what I call Chrome by default. First, I will show use the same code in Chrome, then I will show the same code in Mozilla Firefox. Control-C, copy here. So this is done. After this, I need to put some kind of implicit weight. That is also okay. It's normal practice I'm taking, whatever the default things I need to take. I'm just taking all those things. So this is done. What it will do, it will just open the Chrome and then it will open the Google search. Then it will open the uh, Google search bar and like there it will type something and it will search and enter. And then after 5 seconds, driver.quit. So this is the basic test. It is designed for Chrome. Okay. So now I'm going running it. Run as Java application. So you're already familiar like how it will run in the Chrome. So no worries. So it worked as expected for Chrome. After 5 seconds, it will close as well. So it's worked, right? But the same code, if I want to run in the Firefox. So how I will do, I will just copy this, paste it, and I will add it Firefox. The basic setups I have already done. Only things what I need to change. I need to change for these things. So this is Gecko, Gecko driver.exe. The file name is Gecko driver.exe. You can see here. Gecko driver.exe. So spelling wise also you need to confirm. So this part is changed and there also I need to change it. And here also I need to change it. Gecko. That's the only thing. And this also I need to change. This was designed for Chrome, but now I will use Firefox. So what code I need to write for Firefox? You can see here. Just FIRE and FOX. You can see here. So F should be capital and S should be small. So once I mouse over, it will ask you to import. So earlier the import was for the Chrome. Now the import is for Firefox. You can see here. So now this is coming as not used. You can see warning message is coming. So I will just remove this part. I am not needing this. So this is done. Means this part is done and everything is rest of the things are same. I just need to test whether my things the same code what I have designed for what you call Firefox. Sorry, Chrome. Now it should work in the same fashion for
Fine.
Firefox. Right clicking and run as Java application. So you will see this time it should launch the Chrome. And what happened? It's showing some error. Session not created exception. Possible cause invalid address of the remote server. This line number. Driver server process died prematurely. Echo. Everything is okay, but where is the exact error is coming? I need to check Google search line number 21. So here it is showing error. How come? Just a sec. Hello.
Yeah.
I think the version is I said I'm just checking what is the issue. Everything seems correct, but I think driver is not compatible. When I'm seeing here, this could not start a new session possible cause invalid address of the remote server to be failure. And this line number 21 it is showing. Driver server process died caused prematurely. I think this is causing issue. Let me. Okay, let's try once. If it is not working, then I will find other solution because everything seems correct with me. Right click, run as Java application. Hmm. Think compatibility issue is there, I think. Let me download the other version. I'm here, but what is the link? I think this is the link. Win64, this one.
Rajiv, now I'm not able to see your screen. Don't know what happened.
Wait. Let me share.
Oh. mm.
Now,
Yeah, now it's fine.
so what I did here, I click on this link. Now I got this link, right? So earlier, like it was this one. So basically, maybe it was not compatible. So
Mm-hmm.
this is the correct link, I think. It's Win3264. Okay.
Yeah.
Version 32 and it's a 64. So I think I took the wrong one. Open the file. Open the folder. Then let me delete these things because this will create a confusion. And now I have tracked all. And then I will copy this. Once I copied this, I will go there and I will paste this. Overwrite all. So right click, refresh. This was the issue. The driver compatibility was the issue. Now it should work. Let me test it. You can see this time it is working. It opened the Firefox and everything work as expected. After 5 seconds, it will close. So only these things you have to manage and rest of the things will be same. It's your code will not be changed. Only setup part where you have to launch the browser is need to be changed. And I think this was not the issue. So it should work as expected. So no more changes, only two places changes I did. Means this uh, killer what I'm running that has to be updated. The path has to be updated and the driver name, which browser you want to launch that need to be updated.
Hmm.
You can see here, I changed the code and tested again. It worked as expected. So after 5 seconds, it will close. So this is working fine for Firefox. Now the same code I will write for other browsers. So I'm copying pasting. And now this time I want to run for Edge. EDZE. I have the Edge. I will come here. And this has to be only Edge. This is Edge driver. And let me download the Edge driver. I'm going here. So I'm going to the first link. So first I have to check which Edge version I am having. On the basis of that, I can go and download. So I open the Edge. You can see here in my computer. I'm going to the three dots and going to the about section about Microsoft Edge, where I can see which version of Microsoft Edge I'm having. So I'm having 109 as of now, but it's updating here. So let's wait for some seconds. It will update. You can see here it's updated and asking me to restart. So 109 I need. So I will go there and download the Edge driver for 109. So let me close this and I'm just going and downloading it for 109. So you can see here for Windows, it is saying that this one 64 is this, 109 is this 0.15. Stable is this one, so I will go with this one. Edge driver download is done. You can see here. Now I will extract it, right click, extract it. Once I extracted, I got Microsoft MS Edge driver. The file name is MS Edge driver. I will come here and I will paste it. You can see here, I pasted it and refresh. So now I have the file and I will just copy this and I will update in the page one. So this is the name of the file. MSH. This is also MSH. And here it should be H only, right? So here you don't need to write MSH only WinDriver.H.driver and rest of the things should be signed. Here it should be H. EDCS. So Edge driver, you can see here. Rest of the things should be same. Now I'm going to run it to test whether it is working as expected or not. So you can see here, Microsoft Edge started successfully and this working as expected. So for Edge also, you did like what setup you need and what the things you need to download. Only those things you need to know. So that's how you will check the versions and which version you have to download. So that's correct. Like you saw, I did a mistake in the Firefox, so that was the stuck point, but like it worked. You can see a Edge driver. It's working fine. So I have another driver, like I will show you. Other browser, it means like, so let me close the other things which is not needed as of now. So this is Opera. You can see Opera. And first I will check for if it is up needed to be updated. So those things you have to check every time. About settings. Where is that version information? How to check Opera version? Select help and port Opera. Where is help? I cannot see. Opera browser. Check Opera browser version. Launch Opera. Click on the left hand corner. Click on Opera logo. Okay. This one? Yeah, I think this one. Correct. Opera logo and click on About Opera. Where is About? Settings. I think help is there. I think help. About Opera. You can see here checking for updates it is saying, and I think it will automatically update. And that's the main thing I need to check. It's saying checking for updates. So maybe it will automatically update, and downloading you can see here. And once it is downloaded, the latest version I need to have, which version of the browser I'm using. And after that, everything will be done. So it's downloaded 100%. Checking for updates. Relaunch now. So it is 94.0. That's the main thing you have to know, that which version you are using. So how I find it, its logo is there. Then I go to help, then about Opera when I click. So this is the page coming, and it is saying that Opera is up to date, means further no updation needed. So I need to download the compatible driver. So I will go there in the Google and I will just search for Opera driver download. This link is coming GitHub. So mainly nowadays everything is available in the GitHub. So you can go there GitHub, and then when I clicked here, I see that which is Windows 64. So this is Windows 64. So normally nowadays everyone is using Windows 64 system. So I clicked here and then it will download it. So you can see here it's downloaded and I'm opening the folder. Then I'm extracting it, right click and extract it. So once I extracted it, then it came in this one, and then I will look for this Opera driver file. This is different file, much different operating system. For Windows, I need this one application. So I will copy this and I will come here. I will paste that. Paste here. So I pasted that Opera driver. This is the name of the file. Just copy it and then go copy this one. Copy paste. Opera. This is Opera. I need to update the drivers. Opera driver. Opera driver. This is Opera. So now everything is set up for Opera, and then I will go for Opera testing. So I'm going here, right click, run as Java application. They're saying that driver started successfully. So it worked as expected, you can see here. So for Opera, what setup you need to do, which browser you have to download, and how you have to configure it so that it should work. So that is working here. So what I will do here, this is for Google, right? So I will give you a, no, it's for Chrome, CHRO Chrome. So just rename the file, and this 4 files I need to be in a different folder. So what I will do, I will create a package. Right click, new package. Selenium cross browser. I have these files, Google to Opera, right click, refactor, move. So I will just find the folder package name, Selenium cross browser. This one, right? Okay. You can see every file's moved over there. So now it's in this. So I will close this. 4 things I have already shown. And one is like Internet Explorer. So that is a bit challenging. So I will find some example if I have already. Else means you have to do some tweak settings. It's normal, not so easy to launch the what I call Internet Explorer. So you need to do additional settings. But other browsers, like only 2 things need to change. But for Internet Explorer, you need to do some additional settings. So let me search here. Driver.ie dot. Right. So you can see here test method parallel execution. So I have this file. I will take this file. Not enough. Search. Search. This is one place. Here it is also there. There also search file upload. It's there also. Internet Explorer demo. There is one more demo. So which example I should pick? I will pick this example. Right click. Refactor, move. Move to Selenium. Cross browser demo. Just a sec. Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm back. So you can see here, normal like Internet Explorer things. It's not so easy to directly use it. So I have some demos which I will show you. So here I'm using desired capabilities. So desired capabilities is was means like some additional settings you need to do. Then you need to use desired capabilities. Normally, like when you launch browser, so what it does, it takes the default setting of the browser and try to launch. But default settings are not okay in the case of Internet Explorer. So two things you need to do. First, you have to get the Internet Explorer driver. That is one thing. And once you download, then you need to change this as well, like IE, what normally for Chrome, you are using Chrome. For Firefox, using Gecko. For Opera, you are using Opera. For Edge, you are using Edge. For Internet Explorer, just you have to use IE. So this is the one thing. Now here I also need to update. So that is the thing. But first I need to download. So let me download it. And for downloading Internet Explorer, like it's very easy. In the main page of Selenium, you will just get the links. Internet Explorer download driver. And normally it's 64-bit, but 32-bit is also compatible. So you see here, main page is there. You go to that page. So you can see here, Internet driver server, Internet Explorer driver server. You go there, and based on your need basis, you can download. So I'm clicking on download. And when once you click on download, you will find the link over here. You can see. So 32-bit and 62. So you can see it's saying that recommended. It means for 64 also you can use it. So I'm just clicking here and I'm getting the download. Right click and extract it. And once I extracted, I just need to copy and paste it in the desired folder. You can see here now I have Internet Explorer driver server as well. And I just need to update the path. So everything is already done. Just and two additional settings. What you need to do that I will tell you. So you go to your Internet Explorer. By default, I think it is shift to edge. You can see here when I'm opening that, it is opening to the edge. I think no, yes, this time it's correct browser. You go to the dot. It is saying that edge only, it's opening edge. closing that, and I think support is closed nowadays. So if it is not opening, then how I can show you? Yeah, it is saying that reload into Internet Explorer. So I think this is Internet Explorer. And okay, I think it's Internet Explorer. So what you have to do here, go to the Internet options. Settings. No, not setting. I think it's Internet options. You can see Internet options. If you go there, so what you have to do in the security tab, you have to enable this protected mode. Okay. And second thing you have to check, must check, is that the zoom setting. Zoom should be 100%. Okay. So two things is mandatory for the Internet Explorer. And then you go there, and these settings you can control via desired capabilities as well. So you can see line number 21, 22, and 23. So you need to create the object of desired capabilities. This is a class in given to support additional browser settings in Selenium. You can see here it's part of Selenium. And sometimes it is also needed to run in the remote mode. So I am saying that capabilities dot set capabilities Internet Explorer driver dot introduce flakiness by ignoring security domains. It should be true. The first setting is this, and in this IE Explorer driver dot IE ensure clean session, that should be true. So two settings I did, and after that I need to pass these capabilities by launching Internet Explorer. So this capabilities you need to pass as a constructor. So what it will do, what setting you have done, that setting will be taken while launching the browser. Okay. And then I'm saying that delete all the cookies. So this is the command to delete all the cookies. And then I'm running in the maximize mode. Okay. I will not go into detail in this file. I will just comment it out because this is for file upload, which you have already seen. It's okay. You can see that it's okay. I think this has to be updated. I have renamed this file. I'm going to work on this. I need to update the file. Right click, properties. This is the file name. I'm coming here back. You can see everything is okay. Users training desktop and this and this. And then here one thing additional I did, that's the file path dot get absolute path that I am putting as a file path new. Okay. And then I'm passing this path in the send case. So for Internet Explorer, this only additional lines need to be done, but for Chrome, only send case is working. The rest of the things, no need. Means you just need to see the settings, what settings you need to do. So this is one, the line number 19, the main thing. Then some additional settings, and manually you have to go to the Internet Explorer and then you have to tick mark that security level things. Properties, security, enable protected mode. This should be on. Okay. And then once that is done, then you can go and test. So right click, any code you can just test. See here, it is trying to clean everything and then try to upload the Internet Explorer. It opened successfully. and it will try to upload the file as well. So that is the second thing. Okay, I just showing you how to interact with the Internet Explorer. So that part is done. It's this code, maybe some need to be fixes, I think. That I will take care in the future. But you see main thing that browser is launched and the page is open. And consider that the same earlier code I was using, same thing I have to use it. So I will just go and copy something and then modify something. So this is something Opera. I will copy this, paste it, and this I will check it for internet. The same code earlier which I was using. I will. So this is the IE code, and where is my Internet Explorer demo? I will take this, up to this, up to this, up to here. This is done, this is done, this is done, and this is just for Google search. I'm just checking whether it's working on. I think that setting is not enabled. Need to check once. Right click properties. Enable protected net could be off. Now I'm going to run. It's something which is not working. That's what I was checking. Then I need to check on internet that how to work in the Internet Explorer. Some settings is missing. That's why it's not working. You see here, it's created error. No such element exception. So it is not able to interact with the element. I think there is one more code. I think that code is needed. So let me introduce this code. Some additional settings is there. I think due to that it was not working. So let me add this code, then try. So you can see here other things I also added. This was already there. This was already there. So this is zoom settings, which I'm ignoring because this is something creating issue. I'm going there and check what is the issue. You can see here. Exactly issue is not coming. That is just showing no such element exception. So sometimes due to this also, I told you that this issue is there. And one is for certificates. Means if you are opening some sites where certificates are not valid, so you can add this one. Capability type accepts SSL certs true. And then finally you launch the what I call Internet Explorer and just try to work. So this is additional things I have added. You can ignore this. It's okay. And let's run and test. it's not working. Properties. That if I manually turn it on and then try. Only that page setting is controlling everything. So let me find on internet if it is not working. I need to check on internet why it is not working. Then I will show you. Internet Explorer. Selenium. No such element exception. To check protected mode settings on internet, disable native events on the internet driver to I use Internet Explorer driver instead of remote driver. So that is okay. I'm using the same. What I will do, I will check this why it is not working. Maybe some settings is needed, but I already checked all the settings. It should be working. Later I will check and get back to you. As this is all about like cross-browser testing. Let me check one more time. I think one more settings is needed. If you go there, right click and properties, security. I make it like low level. Then okay. I'm just running it. I can do one more thing. I can upgrade the 32 to 64 bit. Then I can check the same issue is there or not. So as of now, it is not trying to interact, which was working code. So let me try that way. Let's if it is able to interact or not. Internet Explorer driver download. Sixty-four bit. Extract. Go in System Explorer. now I run this same code, 64-bit. Not working. Up to here it is working, but after that, when it try to interact with the web element, that time it is failing. I need to check. I think it's not working. So why it's not working, I need to check. Because it should work. I think either they have degraded or I stopped something in the new versions. So that's why it's not working. But I will check it on that part. But this is how like we are using it in the different browsers. So today's we were mainly focusing on like cross-browser testing in a sequential fashion. So there is a way of parallel execution, but parallel execution means like same time, same code running on a different browsers. So your execution times will be saved. So that kind of things we will have in other sessions. It means like new framework when we will learn. So you can see here today we were mainly focused on the cross-browser testing. Like what browsers you see here, Internet Explorer C, Opera C, Firefox C, uh, Chrome you have seen, and yeah, that many browser you have seen. So for Android like mobile, you also there is supported. Let's see if you have Android setup, then you can use it. And this is in the MacBook, so you can use it. And there is a cloud environment. So cloud environment is means like they have everything, devices, browsers, everything. You can connect Selenium to the cloud and you can write the code here in your local system and execute your code in the cloud environment. So that is possible. So that is done via remote WebDriver class. So where you have to pass the cloud URL. So and cloud URL and user ID and password is needed. So those things you will get. It's a paid service. So you will get, then you can connect it. Either you have companies providing that, then also you can use it. So like this kind of cloud environment setup is needed. So you can see here everywhere we are using the same thing. So now we have a new framework like TestNG. Basically, it is not related to Selenium. TestNG is a different framework, but we will be using it with the Selenium. So first I will teach you what is TestNG. Then I will teach you how you can integrate with the Selenium things. Okay. So that's all for today. Thanks all for joining today's session. I will look into that part, the Internet Explorer. Yeah, that's it for today. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.